If you are non-technical person, this video is especially for you. How you can earn in blockchain and crypto space. I will teach you today. So hello pioneers. In this video, I will share with you a lot of insights about blockchain space, and I will teach you how to much opportunities are out there for non-technical people in blockchain space. Apart from that, if you want to share your skills and you want any advice, let me know in the comment section, and I will give you my best, and you guys can find some jobs out there. Apart from that, the funny thing is, if you are even a meme creator, you can get a job. So it's that easy. So let's go. So on average, a designer can earn around $53,000 per year. It's almost $4,500 per month. So it's not a bad trade. And design space, UI UX is very trending. Collection design, like what you are seeing over here, is Crypto Bros NFT, which is not just a normal image. It is created from different layers, different attributes. So I already make a video about that. You guys can check it out. And the video collections. I will also add the link to that video in description so you guys can check it out. From that, if you are a painter, you can always upload your paints to paintings to your OpenSea or Solana, or even any marketplace, and you can sell it out. Even 3D modelers, like, let me show you how it works. If you guys come over here and explore collection, so you can see that 3D arts, paintings. Even I don't know about this one. So you see, photography. Even you can upload your best collections. Who knows? You can earn from that. Trading cards. So a lot of even videos editing. So a lot of opportunities out there for designers and content creators. The next one in our list is marketing manager. So this one having a big opportunity, and you guys can even learn that so easily that you don't need any technical skill. You just need to learn a little bit about SEO, and you guys can manage any social media like Twitter, Instagram, and Facebook. And you don't need even a lot of SEO thing. You can just do it. So if you know about Discord, that is huge. If you don't know, you can check it out on different, on Google even, and you can learn about it. That how you can use the Discord, because like you check it out, and there is a huge, need for such a people who can manage to Discord as a moderator, as an admin, and a lot of. So okay, let it. So there is like job opportunity for you. If you are even non-technical person, you can just handle Discord, and that's it. So apart from that, business development representative, like you can guys can go and promote it, the different cryptocurrency, different NFT collections, and different seminars, and different so and create some business for that specific NFT or cryptocurrency. So or any platform about blockchain space. So you guys can even earn from that, like around $4,000 per month. So it's quite nice. So I will suggest all of you that you guys should learn some just one skill, and that's it. Like you guys can just start on Fiverr, on Upwork, on freelance, on Guru, any job market you can search. There is huge. You will get a response so easily that you can't even imagine. So apart from that, if you are a writer, like a writer can even earn more. If you are a little bit technical, then it's a huge plus for you. If you are not even technical, you can just write. That is also good, because white paper is always needed for any platform, that what's going on and what will be the structure of any blockchain platform, or collection, or anything. So article writing is another thing. There are a lot of news agencies running only about like blockchain articles only. So there is a huge demand as well. Content writing, different apps. You can write different like articles from different apps, review them like about different apps, review them, and create some content around that. So this is also huge. Story writer, there are demand story writer as well. If you are a good story writer, this one is also for you. You can just write a story for a game, or even about a product for which someone can create an NFT story or something like that. I don't know, like you guys can comment and I will let you know that how can you use it, use that specific skill. That will be like huge. We can do that. The next one is research analyst, project manager. So these one are a little bit technical now, but you guys can go through it and you guys can find what is. Data scientists and machine learning engineers are like quite rare, so the pay scale is also high. For example, if someone want to make a weather update system, so it will need to go through a lot of data, and a lot of AI will be involved in that stuff. So data scientist and machine learning is too much important. So the next one is developer. So web developers in high demand, and blockchain developers are like very rare, especially the skilled one, or even more rare. So you know how you can like earn from blockchain space if you are a web developer. You don't need to be learn Solidity or Go or Rust. You can even just like if you know React, that's enough. You can just learn a little bit about Web 3.0, and you are good to go. HTML, CSS, React. So you can be front end developer in blockchain space, and your pay scale will be comparatively high from other fields, like if you are working in different area. Backend, I will suggest that go for Node.js. JavaScript is too much important, so I will suggest everyone that learn some JavaScript, basic JavaScript, and then go after this, and you will learn like advanced JavaScript along the way. So that is the go. Okay, the next one is security architecture. Architect. So TypeScript is involved in that, and EVM. I don't like in other platform there will be other languages, but for EVM we use TypeScript, and around like on average security architect is even in higher demand than web developer. So on average you get more than normal web developer. How other uh, how people from other fields can utilize the blockchain space. Even legal advisors can earn as a legal advisor from blockchain space. Financial advisors, even like doctors or real estate uh, people can earn like work as an advisor with different platforms, and they can suggest what we can do about like in different areas in real life. So there is a huge demand in such space, but you have to figure it out. Also let me know what are your skills in the comment section. That is very much very important. We can discuss it in one session, of course. Okay, coming up next, I am already working on salary course for you guys. So if you didn't subscribe to channel, so let do it because I will be uploading it in few weeks and you guys can just learn from it. So if you want to reach me out, here are some links and also in the description. With that being said, bye.